Spring Flowers is the title of this new collection from Modascrap. However, I think you can use these papers any time of the year. Now, Modascrap is an Italian company owned by a very sweet couple, husband and wife team. And let me show you these papers. They are really known for their beautiful watercolor look. And I think this is just absolutely lovely. All over pattern, as you can see, a little bit larger in the daisies on blue. And then we have a stripe that's doing blue going into green, and then a blue all over for the back. Then you can see these purple blossoms that are all over, and then a beautiful purple set that just goes beautifully with it. And then this kind of mottled tile that's very interesting. You can see lots of colors there, but all very subtle, and that works nicely. You can see the leaves, and then the paper that's kind of a blue-green look that goes with it. And the ginkgo, it kind of looks like ginkgo leaves to me here, again, an all-over pattern. And finally, isn't that a just beautiful pattern? Just really, really pretty. It's got the greens, of course, and some of the purples that were at the beginning of the paper collection. Now, as I said, this is titled Spring, but I really think you can use this year-round. And I love the artwork right there, and I really think you could cut that out and use it. So, Spring Flowers from Modascrap. We're delighted to have them here at paperwishes.com.